Hello everyone, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon as we upload one new recipe every day and you will get notified. Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's special dessert is Trifle Pudding. Let's get started. For the custard, we need 2 cups of milk. So add about 5 teaspoons of custard powder to 1/4 cup of milk. So I have used vanilla custard powder. Dissolve the custard powder in milk. This milk is at room temperature. Now you can see the powder is completely dissolved. Keep this aside. The milk is nice and hot now. I'm going to pour the dissolved custard. Just whisk it. You can see how instantly it's thickened. It's good to use a whisk to make the custard because you won't get any lumps if you keep doing this rather than a spatula. Now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can add the sugar depending on how sweet you would like it. Just give it a quick mix. The custard has thickened. Turn off the stove. We're going to cool this mixture. I have cut up 2 bananas here. I have a combination of black grapes and green grapes. You can add any fruits you want. And I've added 1 apple I've chopped up. Now I'm going to pour the custard over the fruits. So it's up to you if you want to add some nuts, you can add. I haven't added any here, but if you do want to add some nuts, you can. Trifle pudding is a layered dessert, starting with the base layer, which is the sponge cake. The second layer is going to be the custard. Refrigerate this for about 30 minutes till the custard sets. Take 300 ml of water in a saucepan. To this, I'm going to put 100 grams of strawberry jelly crystals. So you can use raspberry or strawberry. So let the crystals dissolve and bring it to a boil. Bring the jelly solution to a room temperature and then pour it onto the custard in the cups. So we don't want to set it in the saucepan, so I'm just going to pour it. Refrigerate it for about 4 to 5 hours or overnight before serving. There you go, you have all these different elements to be made, but it's very simple. So do try and enjoy this lovely dessert at home. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frame.